One thing that we're trying to do with IMAT is integrate a lot of these silos in terms of how people are thinking about materials. IMAT, we're trying to cut across those boundaries and get people to talk to each other who may not have an opportunity to talk to each other outside of the conference. So trying to get collaboration across disciplines within the materials community, across materials within the materials community, so that we can really move the needle forward in terms of innovation and discovery for new materials and new applications. And ASM is very good at pulling in the industry side, pulling in the application side. And so what's really useful about having this cross-cut perspective within the conference is to more quickly move into application, more quickly address the issues or problems or challenges that come up on the application side by getting all of the experts in the room from all of the different materials, all the different processes. IMAT, we're trying to promote the message of ASM is stronger together. And so we're pulling the technical expertise from all of these affiliate societies into one place, one conference, so that they can communicate with each other and collaborate with each other. The technical diversity is not just different materials or different subject areas of study, it's also different perspectives. And so part of what we're trying to do is capture those perspectives at a common place, at a conference where people will have opportunities to interact. Professors who can do a lot of the pre-competitive research that is not really possible to do at all of the individual companies, for one, so on the research perspective, but also in terms of students. So pulling the students into these conferences helps them to make those connections with industry really early on, to understand what the challenges are, what the future opportunities and future directions are, and to also give them a chance to build their communication skills, build their technical knowledge, build their awareness of the different career paths and opportunities for internships and jobs after they graduate. So pulling in the universities is absolutely essential. One of the big efforts that ASM is pushing forward with is focusing on diversity, equity, and inclusion within the society. So understanding what are the needs of the membership, what are the ways that the society can support the membership, and how that can be reflected in the various conferences. So for diversity, we're interested in gender diversity, age diversity, diversity as socioeconomic status, diversity and ethnic and cultural and social perspectives and experiences. IMAT, we're going to have several different opportunities to provide support to the membership and to promote diversity within ASM. One is through the Women's Breakfast. The Women in Materials Engineering Committee sponsors or puts together a breakfast at the beginning of the week of the conference every year. We also are planning a session on diversity, equity, and inclusion that's going to include a workshop as well as a panel of speakers. And with this session, the goal is to really listen to the membership in terms of what the membership needs for support and help to promote some of the ideas of how we can pull that support into our individual organizations. So pulling the themes of diversity and inclusion into the university setting and into the company settings, so that we're giving our members tools that they can take outside of they can pull outside of the conference.